Now let's introduce double angle identities. So I will just introduce sine 2x and cos 2x. And I won't introduce this tan 2x just because I could actually rewrite this as sine 2x over cos 2x. Okay? So you're usually going to be given just a formula sheet. So you're not going to have to memorize them. I would just suggest that you would memorize that sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x, though. And maybe just memorize one of the three expressions that are equivalent to cos 2x. So what does this stuff mean? Simple. Let's say that I have sine 60 degrees. And say that, okay, so that's just 2 times x, so x would be, in this case, 30 degrees, right? So I can essentially just rewrite sine 60 degrees as 2 sine x cos x, which would be 2 sine 30 degrees times cos 30 degrees. So that's a simple application of this expression here, right? And what if I had, for example, cos of 90 degrees? We know that that would be equivalent to, now considering that I'm using this, cos 2x, and in this case x would be 45 degrees, right? Because 45 times 2 is 90. So this is perfectly equivalent to cos squared of 45 degrees minus sine squared of 45 degrees, according to the first expression. But it's also equal to 2 cos squared of 45 degrees minus 1, and also, of course, equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared of 45 degrees. And naturally, we can also use radians. So let's say that I had sine pi over 8. Let me just use this expression and rewrite this in a different way. So I know that 2x is equal to pi over 8. That's what I'm going to do in this case. And so if 2 times x is equal to pi over 8, it follows that x is pi over 16. You can essentially just multiply both sides by half, right? And then cancel out, get rid of the 2 altogether. So I can rewrite sine pi over 8 as 2 times the sine of pi over 16 times the cos pi over 16. So since I'm introducing the double angle identities, I have only gone one way, from here to there. But most exercises are going to be the reverse. You're going to go from here to there. And we're going to have quite a few videos on that. So hopefully this made good sense to you, and good luck with trig.